else, and we have for loop, while loop, do while loop, wait for condition. So these are flow logics. These are JavaScript related flow logics. Okay. So here subflow, set of reusable actions. Set of reusable actions is a subflow. In the subflow, there is no trigger point. You can call subflow in the main flow. You call the subflow in the main flow. Okay, let me create one new action here. I'm not going to create any subflow. I'm going to create only action here. So divide two values. Okay. I'm creating an action called divide two values. So first, whenever you are creating an action, you have to provide the inputs. So if you want to divide two values, you need two values, right? You should be able to enter two values, right? So I'm creating two inputs here. So create input. A integer, mandatory. B, this is also an integer. Okay, I've taken two inputs. So here there is a plus icon here. Here you have to use script option. Okay. So you have taken the inputs, right? Those inputs you have to take it in the script. Those inputs that you have taken, right? Those inputs you have to take it to the script. To take it to the script, here you have to add that variables. Okay, yeah. So here capital A come here. B. Whatever the input that we are taking here, the B come here. So inputs means A, B. Inputs, outputs. Where C is equal to inputs dot A minus low. See, inputs dot A minus inputs dot B. Okay. So here I'm creating another variable called another output. Output here. Output is actually C. Okay. So what you are doing here, outputs dot C is equal to C. So let us avoid the confusion. Okay, output C. So you go to the outputs here. Create an output. Capital C. This is also an integer. Okay. So here you are actually script step output C. Let me just save this one. It will divide the two values. I have created an action here. This action can be reused in the flows. So reusable operations are not. If you want to divide two values in the flow, you can use this action. I'm going to use this test here, A, B. So A value I'm actually entering here as 7. B value I'm actually entering here as 3. 7 minus 3. I should get output as 4, right? So C value we have got it as 4 or not. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to call this divide two values action in action here. Divide two values, right? That is the action that we created, right? Divide two values. Okay. So see here, you can pass this value dynamically from using data pills, or you can enter the values manually also. 7, 6. 7 minus 6, 1. So see here, if you divide the two values, here you will get the output as C here. Okay. Understand my point?